For the front of the vehicle, we're going to look at our lenses, make sure that our lenses are of proper color, clear for the headlights, and amber for the clearance lights and marker lights. I'm going to make sure that they're not broke, they're clean, and they're not missing any, and there's no signs of moisture. Next, we're also going to look for any leaks underneath. Make sure that we don't have any fresh leaks on the ground. And from there, we're going to go ahead and open the hood. Next, we're going to check our fluid levels, starting with my oil. Here's where I would fill my oil, and here's where I would check it. And to check it, I would pull the dipstick out, wipe it off, reinsert the dipstick, pull it back out, and ensure that it's in between the fill line and the full line. Next, I'm going to move on to my coolant reservoir. I'm going to make sure that it's filled to the proper level and has no leaks. Next will be the power steering reservoir. Make sure that it is filled to the proper level and has no leaks. Then I'm going to check for any fluid leaks or air leaks. I'm going to look underneath the vehicle, make sure that there aren't any puddles on the ground, dripping fluids around or under the engine and transmission. Next, I'm going to inspect all of the hoses on both ends, make sure that, and air lines, make sure that there are no ABCLs, abrasions, bulges, cuts, or any leaks or audible leaks on all of the hoses. Next, I will move on to my steering systems, starting with my steering gearbox. Right here, make sure that it is properly mounted and secured. It has no leaks, and there's no loose or missing hardware. From there, I'm going to check my steering hoses, my power steering hoses right here, and the power steering hoses that run back. Make sure that they are properly mounted and secured on both ends, that there are no abrasions, bulges, or any kind of leaks, anything like that. Next, I'm going to check my steering linkage. The steering linkage here, making sure that it is securely mounted, it's not cracked, it's not worn or bent, and doesn't have any loose joints. I'm also going to make sure that it is locked into place with the castle nuts and the cotter pins.